So we're going to start this with a magic circle, and that is just you place it. People make it way more difficult than it needs to be. You just place this over your hand like this, and you pinch it. That's it. Just pinch it. Then you grab this yarn, you wrap it around your fingers, and then you cross it. So you get this little X on the back of your hand, and you pinch it down, and you wrap it around your hand, and then you just tuck it up underneath your thumb. You're just holding on to it there. It's just a placeholder. Now you've got these two bars across from each other. What we need to do, they have to be parallel. Take our hook. Now this yarn is for a 5 hook. That's what I have. This is a Susan Bates number 5 or 5mm hook. It's considered has an ergonomic handle. Get whatever hook works for you. There's thousands of hooks out there on the marketplace. Just give it a try and see which ones you like. I happen to like these a lot. So you're going to, let me back up. You're going to take your hook. You're going to slide it underneath the first bar. You're going to slide it forward. You're going to drop it down on the second bar and pull the second bar through like you're pulling a bowstring. Okay? And now what we're going to do is we're going to pretend like we're scooping ice cream. We're just going to scoop it. And now we've got this twist at the top. I'm going to just grab that twist, kind of pull it down onto the throat of the hook. And now what we're going to do is put our finger up underneath. You can see that. And we're just going to press that to the back. All right. So now we've got this crazy looking contraption. Now you load up our yarn. And now we're going to trade off the pinch, and we're just going to pinch it with this hand. We're just holding it steady. And then we take our hook, yarn over, and we're just going to pull through the loop that we have. Right? And then we just tighten that down. We just turn this around. Now when we start crocheting, we want to make sure that we have our loop and we have the tail end of the yarn is coming off this direction. We're going to crochet over this tail, but we want to make sure not to crochet completely over the tail, because we have to pull this to make this loop smaller. So the tail always needs to be exposed, but we are going to be crocheting over both of these pieces right here. So